What's up, motherfuckers? Beautiful by nature here. Anyway, my dog took a shit on the path, so I decided to walk the poop over to the dumpster, and I found this gumball machine in there, and I seen a quarter sticking out of the side of it. So I went down there with my trusty golf cart here, and so I took a crowbar and just popped this door open. See my crowbar. I dragged it all the way home. I found all kinds of cool shit. I've been finding tons of CDs back there, so now I got CD trays and boxes and shit. Cool stuff. This thing, I don't know what it is. But look, I opened it up. There's, I don't know if it was worth my while, but any money helps, so let's see. We got 1 quarter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quarters. So I got $2 out of the deal, and I got a bunch of cool shit. Fuck it, dude. And a gumball machine, like, or whatever the hell, some kind of candy machine. I wonder what the heck this thing is. Anybody leave a comment, tell me what that is. But anyway, it's missing a door right here. I wonder if I could sell this thing. Maybe, I don't know, I'll sell it for 20 bucks maybe. Shit. This thing's pretty cool. I opened it up. Let's see. Look, it says. It's from New York. Hollis, New York. Fascinating. Found a bunch of cool albums. Oh, this is something I'm going to hang on my wall. I love this kind of shit. Old hippie shit. Fucking love it. I'm gonna cut it in half and probably frame it, hang it on my wall. Anyways, peace.